Okay, so in the earlier section or the earlier task, you saw how to see the data types of each column in the data frame, right? So right now, what if we want to convert one data type to another? Well, okay, let's print out the data types again to see what's inside. Okay, so again, just a quick recap, this is the data frame that's being printed from line number 5, all right? And then in line number 8, we have the types of each column, the fruit column, which is here, the size column, which is here, the color column, which is here, the unit price column, which is here, and the quantity column, which is here, right? So we got all the data types that were inferred printed out here. So in the earlier part, we saw that there is another type which is called, I'm going to use this comment here just to type my ideas or my discussion points. So the category, right? There's a type called category, which is a finite list of values, yeah? All right, so we infer that size is definitely a finite list of values. Yeah, it can be small, medium, or large because we understand the data set, so therefore we know. So if it's only got 3 values, then it will be better to define size as a category instead of an object. Okay, so now how do we do that? How do we convert the data type of this column size to become a category instead of an object? So that's what we're going to discuss, okay? So now to do that, the important functionality is offered by Pandas is called S-type. Yeah. So S-type is a method or function that helps us convert uh, a particular part of your data frame or the entire data frame into a different type. Okay. So we will look at how to use this. So we have the data frame here. Now within the data frame, we have many columns here. Yeah, we have the fruit column, we have the size column, we have the color column, we have the unit price column, and we got the quantity. Now, we just want to convert the size column. So how do we access the size column only? So we can use square braces, yeah, similar to arrays, yeah. These are square braces, and then we can just tell the name of the column that we want to access in inverted, in quotes, in single quotes, okay. So since I want to access the size, I'm going to put it as size, yeah. Now, what do I want to do with this size column? Yeah, I've accessed this size column here by saying df square braces and then the name of the column. Yeah, the name of the column is size. Now, what do I want to do with it? I want to convert it from the object data type. Instead of object, I want to convert it to become a category. So I can use the S type. Yeah, S type. I want to convert this to a type or S type. Now, what do I want to convert it to? So that's when we will pass in the value to this method. Now, what is the value that I want to convert this entire column to? So I want to convert it to category, right? So I'm going to change this to category. Okay. So now this is how we will convert this particular column to become a category. In order to save the changes, or to apply this and then to store it inside the size column, we will need to reassign the result of this back to the data frame itself. So the way we reassign is that we say equal. So we say that the data frame, which of column size, is equal to this particular instruction here. Yeah. This means that the result of this operation will get assigned back to the size column. So the size column will be converted to a category. Now, how can we check our results? We can print again, and this time around we do df.types d types, sorry, data types, yeah. Okay. All right. So just yeah. Okay. So data types, and then we should be able to see a difference here. All right. Okay. So the 3 print statements here. So the terminal is going to get slightly flooded. So we might need to scroll up and down. Okay. So let's run this. Now it's running here, and outputs are printed. As we can see, there is a change here right now. So earlier when we printed, it was an object in line number 9, yeah, and now when we print in line number 12, we just changed it to a category. So this is how we will change the data types in Pandas.